What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from Busch Gardens Tampa Bay for yet another Iron Gwazi construction update. And we hope there's been a lot of progress since our last update, but before we head inside the park, we need to check out some stuff going on outside the park. Let's do that first. Not too busy at the ticket booth now that we're back over at the park. Security, not too bad either. We should be right in. No wait to get through security or through the front entrance, and we are on our way. But get this, just in the last couple minutes, crews have installed more steel. Let's go check that out. It is pink chicken feeding time.
You also have Jeff and Bob over there also. So you can really feed her. And she's got a little bit higher voice than everyone. We have one in here.
Alright, so let's do this. Got food. And pink chicken's eating. Yes.
Well, it would be in nature, it'd be less. It'd be around 20 to 30 years old.
And the vixen and all his reindeers pulling on the reins. Bells are ringing, children.
Rhino Rally, and for the longest time we have not had anything to comment about this area. Well, that's changing because we have markings that have now appeared on site for a future attraction. And from what we're hearing, it could be like an S&S swing. Fingers crossed we'll see something. But yes, new progress. The Phoenix, and apparently there's some new development with you, as in the days are numbered. Phoenix apparently is going to be removed. That is the going rumor right now. And there will be a replacement ride. We just don't know what as of yet. Hearing that it could be from Zamperla, however. Another thing to point out for this theory, well, all of the signage for the ride has been removed except for right around the ride area. So yeah, you literally cannot find it anywhere on the maps or anything like that. Well guys, now it is time for an aerial view of Iron Gwazi from Falcon's Fury. It's time now for an aerial view of Iron Gwazi from SheiKra. Well, it's been a while since we've done Skyride. Let's catch a ride and get an aerial view of Iron Gwazi. And our chariot has arrived.
days called Christmas Eve.
And it looks like the piece is in place. All the cables are off. So yeah, new segment now in. And here we can see the front entrance area is still decked out for Busch Gardens Christmas Town. And the lift hill rising right over there.
Get the position.
Gotta do a whole lot less work than I'm doing now, make the same.
Rainbow bird. Up close rainbow bird.
Did she tell you the time we got her?
Pink chickens. Lots of pink chickens.
We actually, this thing has a lot of money.
It does, man.
Oh my gosh, look at Big Bird.
Well, this is kind of neat. Guy Harvey is going to be here December 7th and 8th. So if you're interested in meeting him and getting an autograph, you can.
Jonathan gets in like 12:45. So if you're not in by then, I'll have him see if he can just look and see if it's.
Well guys, that's going to do it for our video here from Busch Gardens Tampa Bay for yet another Iron Gwazi construction update, and we are so close to topping it out. They only have 3 more segments to go before it's all complete. We saw one go up today, It's rising even taller. Of course, some new wood bents are going out for that outward bank turn after the first drop, and more progress is going on around the construction site. Of course, we do have Christmastown going on still, and we're gonna have more updates from here. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.